This is the third Republican amateur MMA championship in Dushanbe city in Tajikistan. 44 teams and 180 athletes from 15 age categories are competing between each other here in this championship, amateur MMA championship. If we compare from the establishment of Tajikistan Mixed Martial Arts Federation, compare the situation with this year, 2022, I can personally argue that we moved to another level. From the restoration period, we moved already to the developing period. So at the beginning, we made our championships only in Dushanbe city in local. But now, from local we moved to Republican, and from Republican championship we moved to international championships. Recently we were the organizers of Asian MMA Championship under International Mixed Martial Arts Federation, and it gave us a great experience in terms of organizing, in terms of getting experience for our athletes, in terms of showing our MMA stars to the Asian region. So now Tajikistan MMA Federation has its image, and it's very popular now in not only in Tajikistan but in all over the world already. It's popular because of new stars, because of the way of working, the way of organizing, and because of the TAJMMAF policy which we have now. We have our structure, we have our team, we have our judge referees of international level, and we have the athletes who are showing Tajik power in Asian and in international championships. These 3 years of operation show that Tajikistan TAJMMAF has a potential. It has a potential in terms of the team, organization, the structure, the operation, and of course the athletes, the new talents is rising in Tajikistan. And I believe that recently in February in the World IMMAF Championship in Serbia, we will show the ability, the power, the potential, the new potential of Tajikistan MMA Federation to all over the world, and we show that we can be one of the leading national federations in the world level. Serbia, we are coming. Tajikistan forward, TAJMMAF forward.
Welcome to IMMAF.